Here we go. So we had done the Radha Shabda, right? Radha, Radhe, Radha, Ityadi. I had given you homework as well to do two words, Shala and mm, Lalita, I believe. Yeah, Lalita. So hope you are on it. Okay. Then the next sutra is one more thing is that our class, like the way we study, it's not like school, like the teaching which happens in schools, where teachers are after the students, like do it. They are just after the students to so that the students can do things. It's not like that. Uh, all of us are mostly adults, so it's like a college or university style of batch or study style. So it's just like more like self-interest into the subject, and then we dive deeper into it personally. You see. Okay. Ambadinam Gopyashcha Vamano Buddhe. The final varna of the Ambadis and the final varna of a Gopi becomes Vamana when Buddha follows. So, still continuing with the Radha Shabda. Radha Shabda is Shabda ending with Aap. So, Ambadis are these five words which are Amba, Akka, Allah, Appa, and Abba. So, these are all Sanskrit words which all mean mother, it says. So, so all these words are declined like Radha Shabda, but when Buddha follows, which means 8.1, then the final Varna, which is the Arama, it becomes Vamana when Buddha follows. So, Amba. Like Krishna in Bhagavatam 10th canto, he says, Naham Bhakshitavan Amba Mithya Te Abhishansinaha. That, O mother, Amba. He addresses Mata Yashoda as Amba. O mother, I haven't eaten the dirt. All of them, they are speaking pure lie. So, yeah, just to use it from Bhagavatam of Amba. Similarly, Akka, Allah, Appa, and Amba. Yeah. And this Gopi Sankhya will come ahead. So, words ending with long E or long U in feminine gender, Lakshmi Linga. So, they are Gopi Sankhya's that will come ahead. So, when Gopi Shabda also is there and Buddha follows, so it becomes Vamana, right? Okay, then the next word is Jara. Jara. Jara refers to old age. So, Krishna. Jaraya Jarasva Sarveshware. The word Jara is optionally replaced by Jaras when a Vishnu Bhakti beginning with the Sarveshwara follows. So when we have any Vishnu Bhakti beginning with Sarveshwara following, then the word Jara is replaced by the word Jaras optionally. So which means Jara will be declined like Radha, the whole table, and Jara will have optional forms uh, when there are Vishnu Bhakti following, beginning with Sarveshwaras. And then Jara will be replaced by Jaras, and then we will do the declensions. For example, Jara Yukta Su, Su, just one form here because Su doesn't begin with Sarveshwara. Jara plus Au. So one form is Jare, like we did Radhe, and another form is Jara is replaced by Jaras, and Jaras plus Au becomes Jarasau, right? So just also is beginning with Sarveshwara. We do not count the indicatory letter. Okay, so it is also a Vishnu Bhakti beginning with a Sarveshwara. So similarly, two forms here. So likewise, Jara, and whenever there are Vishnu Bhakti beginning with Sarveshwara, so two forms there. Otherwise, single forms. So you can do it. Okay, try to do few of them. Let's say try to do 1.2, which we have just seen. Jara plus O. Then try to do this one. Jara plus minus, and then try to do 6.3. Jara. Yeah, please do these three now. Yes, so I hope you have done it, the three of them. So Jara plus O. So one form is like Radha, where Radha, yeah, no, what was that? Radha Brahma Bhyam O E. So after Radha Shabda, O becomes E, and Adva Midvaye, so we get Jare. Other form is Jara is replaced by Jaras by the current sutra. Jaraya Jarasva Sarveshware. So Jarasav. So these are the two forms here. Then Jara plus Nasi. So here one form would be like Radha. So Radha to Yap Vrishnishu, Nityam to Gopyaha. So Yap is inserted here. So we get Jarayah once, and once Jara is replaced with Jaras, so we get Jarasa. Jarayah and Jarasa. The next one is Jara plus Am. So Vamana Gopi Radha Vyonod Ami. So Jara Naam.
Sundar Prabhu, should there be a trivikrama, Jara, Saha,
Where?
in previous line, at the end of previous line?
Here?
No.
Which one?
Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me.
Okay. Jara Naam and Rasharidabhyo is applied, so it becomes Jara Naam. And another time, Jara is replaced with Jaras, so Jaras plus Am, so we get Jarasam. Jarasam. So Jara Naam and Jarasam. Like that. Okay. Then, yeah, so you can practice the Jara table, Jara Shabda. Then the next word is Nisha. Nisha is also a Radha Shabda. And so Atra Nisha Nasik Yor. See, the pattern in Harinamamrita Vyakaranam is there are unlimited words, right? So Jiva Goswami will not decline each and every word. That's not how it works. He's taking the main ones, and all the similar words are declined in the same way. Only when there are some exceptions here and there in some forms of the word and so on, then Jiva Goswami is attempting them, like including them in the book. Like Nisha, Nasika here, and then Jara, they are all Radha Shabdas. But there are few exceptions, like the way they are declined. So Jiva Goswami is showing them. Otherwise, all the similar words are declined similarly, so Jiva Goswami is not including them in the book. So Atra Nisha, Nasika Yor Nish Nasa Vadeshau, Yadushu Va Vachyau. In this connection, the words Nisha and Nasika are optionally replaced by Nish and Nas respectively when a Yadu follows. So Nisha and Nasika also are declined once, like Radha Shabda, Nisha Nishe Nisha, Nisham Nishe Nisha, Nishaya Nishabhyam Nishabhi, Nishayai Nishabhyam Nishabhyah, Nishaya Nishabhyam Nishabhyah, Nishaya Nishayoh Nishanam, Nishayam Nishayoh Nishash, Nishasu, He Nishe He Nishe He Nisha. Okay, once like Radha Shabda, similarly Nasika. But once when Yadus are following, what is Yadu? Shas Adayo Yadu Sangya. 2.3 onwards are Yadus. When they are following, then Nisha is replaced optionally by Nish and Nasika with Nas. So Nisha plus Shas. So um, uh, so Nish plus so Nisha is replaced with Nish. So Nisha is optionally replaced by Nish. So we get Nisha. And like that. Okay. You need not do this one right now because there are a few like sutras required to complete the declension of these two words. So those two like sutras concepts will come ahead. So you need not do these two words, Nisha and Nasika for now. We'll do this ahead. Okay. The next word declension is Bhakti. Bhakti Shabda. This is a word ending in Irama. The word Bhakti is declined like the word Hari when the Pandavas are following. So when the Pandavas are following, Bhakti is declined like Hari. Because Bhakti is also Hari Shabda, it's ending with Vamana E. So E U Ramanta Hari Sangya. So declension would be Bhakti, Bhakti, Bhaktayaha, Bhaktim, Bhakti. When Shas is following, we get Bhakti. This we know how we do it. Then Bhaktya, Bhakti plus Ta. So Haritashtana na tu Lakshmyam. When Hari Shabda was there in 3.1, ta got replaced with na, right? But the sutra said na to Lakshmyam. In Lakshmi Linga, we can't replace ta with na. Thus, Itvameva Yah Sarveshwara is applied, we get Bhaktya. We have seen this usage, Bhaktya Mam Abhijanati, Bhaktya Sanjayate, Bhaktya Ityadi. So many usages. Then Bhakti Bhyam, Bhakti Bhi. Then comes 4.1, Bhakti uh, Harita Appa Vrishnishu Lakshmyam Nityam Gopya. Up is optionally applied after a Hari Shabda in the feminine gender when a Vrishni follows. So, like Bhakti Shabda is Hari Shabda in the feminine gender, right? And here we have a Vrishni following in 4.1. So, we apply up here. So, we apply up like this. And then Idvameva Yasaveshwara is done. So, Bhaktya, the A of I, and then we apply Edvai I. So we get Bhakti I. Bhakti I. So it is saying optionally it is applied. So optionally means once it will be declined like Hari Shabda. So how did we do it in Hari Shabda? It was Harita, what was that? Hare Govindo Jasi Vrishnishu Buddhecha. When a Vrishni is following, then Hari takes Govinda. So Govinda is done. AI. So Bhaktaye, two forms, Bhaktaye and Bhaktyaye. Okay. See, if these are new concepts for you, you're not like properly assimilating them. That's okay. That's quite natural because it's a new concept. We have studied it and taught it so many times, so it looks very, like feels like a second nature to me personally. But I remember when I was studying first time, so when my Guruji would teach me, it was like, what's happening? And then I would go back to my room and I would study like if my teacher would teach for let's say 10 to 15 minutes, then in my room I would spend around 2 to 3 hours, like you know trying to like decode what my teacher taught actually and to assimilate these sutras. So self study really helped me, and I strongly recommend that to anyone and everyone. Yeah. Okay. So, but it is always applied after a gopi where Krishna is followed. So when Krishna is following and a gopi shabda is there, so aap is always applied. So like that, we get the bhakti table. So which is bhakti, bhakti, bhaktayaha, bhakti, 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 bhaktya, bhakti, bhakti, and so on. Try to do this bhakti now. See, you can choose any of the vibhaktis or you can do the whole thing. Try to decline whichever seems difficult to you from these forms of bhakti. Attempt for any 2 to 3 forms you like. And if there is any question, please feel free to ask.
Param Sundar Prabhu,
Yes,
could you
Prabhu.
please clarify, for example, the word mati the intelligence has the same paradigm as
I'm sorry.
Matihi intelligence.
Mati.
Mati.
Okay, yeah, Mati is also same like Bhakti.
Bhakti.
Yeah, same.
Smriti, so these several nouns which are
Smriti,
mentioned in the
yeah,
10th chapter.
yeah, Smriti, Mati, Bhakti, they are all the same. Okay, so the word dhenu is also like bhakti. Like in the masculine gender, Purushottam Linga section, we did the word Hari, and then we did the word Vishnu. Same set of sutras, like applied for both. So here, the way bhakti is done, dhenu is done similarly. Dhenu is also a Hari Shabda in Lakshmi Linga. So it will be declined like bhakti. So Dhenu Shabda is your homework, to do Dhenu Shabda. Better you don't see the form of Dhenu. First, you try to decline it, make a table, and then you cross check uh, yours with like the table given in the book here. Okay. So yes. So we'll resume tomorrow. Mm, ahead. Please keep revising. Do memorize the tables. Uh, it will be your asset only. Memorizing tables, knowing it. So we'll resume tomorrow. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.